This is the prep building. We're currently standing in the parking lot, which will hopefully be in here soon because we want that parking lot down as quick as possible. Because right now they're using the field as a staging area. Let's go ahead and walk into the building and through the prep main entrance. I believe this is Senior Commons. There's restrooms here as well. This is the elevator shaft right here, obviously, and then up to upstairs. And then of course just classrooms all the way down. MEP's already in, as you can see, fire's going in, and upstairs is much the same as down here. These are going to be science labs, something that you would never think about in a building here. See the pass-throughs to the floor. And this is for the air conditioning to go from the roof to the lower level. Just things that when the building's closed up that nobody ever thinks about. You can see here the chase is already installed, and those are, again, just to run that air conditioning from the roof down to the lower level. This is going to be the admin building. So the front entrance right here, there's the elevator. The library will be around the other side of that elevator. Headmaster's office over here for prep, headmaster and nurse on that side for the Archway. Prior, the gym was rotated at 90 degrees, which caused the courtyards to be quite small. Now we've rotated the gym at 90, so it makes the courtyards on either side much bigger, and it gives a lot more room. And it also defines the prep school from the Archway school a lot more. In order to make the school a little bit more aesthetically pleasing from the street, we decided to make the corner here out of glass. The multi-purpose room is going to be our only steel part of the structure, but there's going to be big glass walls there, which is going to be quite striking from the street. This is just the Archway building. They're just kind of building it separate because this is your main entrance into the Archway. This will be pick up and drop off right here in parking. It's called a glue lamp. Laminated pieces of wood glued together, and they make into one big strong piece that goes across the top to make one big beam so that you don't have to put multiple supports underneath it. And that's what creates our overhang. All the staircases are underneath the overhangs, so the kids will be nice and dry between classes. Substantial completion for the entire project is going to be about June 26th is what they're telling us. We're hoping to be a little bit before that, but the buildings will come online one at a time. Probably the first one somewhere around about the end of May, and then every week or so we'll start getting into the next building.